wala pong locally funded flood control project dito sa bagong isinumiting budget ng DPWH na nagkakahalagang 625.7 billion pesos. So with that po, let me first say that the resubmitted budget of the DPWH, next slide please, is close to 30%, to be exact, 28.9% lower than the originally submitted 881 billion peso budget. It is now 625.7 billion. That is 255 billion approximately lower than the originally proposed budget. This 30% increase has never happened in the past. And I have been informed that this is the lowest budget of the DPWH since 2020. No? Since 2020 po. The 2021 budget of DPWH was already at 770 billion. So this is lower than 2021 and is only higher than the 581.6 billion budget in 2020. So I think that by itself shows the seriousness of the president, no, to really start changing the way things are done at DPWH, beginning with the submission of the national budget to Congress. So let me now proceed to where the 255.5 billion cut came from. And as we all know, next slide please, this came from the a huge chunk of this, no, in almost the entirety of the cut came from the 252.5 billion originally allocated for locally funded flood control projects. As everyone is already aware, the president has repeatedly said that he wants the budget for locally funded flood control to be zero for 2026. Ang sabi po ng ating Pangulo, meron na naman tayong ginagawa ngayon from 2024, kahit na 2024, pati 2025, tapusin na lang muna natin yan, ayusin po natin ang mga ginagawa nating ongoing na flood control all over the country. Pero dahil na rin sa mga nadiskubre na nagsimula ng pagsabi niya tungkol dito sa kanyang SONA noong July 28, kasama na rin ng kanyang mga inspeksyon pagkatapos ng SONA at kasama na rin ng mga lumabas pang mga balita tungkol sa mga questionabling flood control projects. Ang rekomendasyon po ng ating mahal na Pangulo for 2026, zero muna tayo. At yun po, sinunod po natin to the letter. Kaya po, wala pong locally funded flood control project dito sa bagong isinumiting budget ng DPWH na nagkakahalagang 625.7 billion pesos. Pero syempre po, meron po tayo, at naiintindihan naman din po ito ng ating Pangulo, meron po tayong roughly about 15.7 billion na foreign-assisted flood control projects. Ito po ay pinopondohan ng official development assistance o mga utang natin sa mga multilateral agencies tulad ng ADB at JICA at iba pa, at World Bank. Ito po ay i-retain po natin. Ito pong 15.7 billion na foreign-assisted flood control projects. Pero ulitin ko po, ang buong 252.5 billion ay wala na po sa budget na ito.